This is the Ulefone Armor X12 Pro durability and drop test. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Also, if you need any tools, there are links in the description. The Armor X12 Pro is a rugged smartphone by Ulefone. It's rated IP69K and IP68, so I'm going to put it through a few tests and see how it handles. To start it all off, I'll be placing it in some water for a few minutes. The phone works great and easily passed this test. And with the rating this phone has, it can go in much deeper water for a longer period of time. Moving on to the drop test. As always, I'll be dropping it on some concrete, and I'll start it off by dropping it waist height onto the screen. On this first drop, there isn't really any damage that I can see. And this screen works fine. For the second drop, I'll drop it on the screen again, but this time from head height. Again, no damage to the screen that I can see, aside from a few scrapes on the orange border. For the third drop, I'll drop it on the back from waist height. We can see some minor scrapes, from which most of it can just be brushed off. As for the screen, it still works great, without any problems. For the fourth and final drop, I'll drop it on the side from waist height. There are some more scrapes and scratches on the rugged housing, but again, most of it just brushes off. The screen works and remains unaffected. The rugged Armor X12 Pro is definitely made to handle drops. Now moving on to the scratch test. For this test, I'll be placing some sand and gravel on top of the screen and spreading it around to test the scratch resistance. The screen handles incredibly well. Only a few surface scratches when looking really closely at certain angles with a bright light. So overall, the Armor X12 Pro is definitely a well-built, rugged device. Whether it comes to drops, water resistance, or scratch resistance, this device seems to handle everything very well with ease. If you're interested in this phone, I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.